Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1991 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electronics. So look at the diagram. This is 1 mark question and related to diagram. If all the transistors are identical and have a high value of beta, the voltage VDC is equal to, that we are going to calculate. Okay, so from this diagram can we draw VDC is equal to 10 volts minus current flowing through 1 kilo ohm. So VDC is equal to 10 volts minus the voltage up across 1 kilo ohm. So 10 volts is dropping from this point to ground. Okay, whereas out of that one, if you are removing the voltage up across 1 kilo ohm, whatever the rest is nothing but VDC. So VDC can be written as VDC is nothing but 10 volts minus whatever the current flowing through that 1 kilo ohm resistor is. So the current flowing through this 1 kilo ohm is nothing but, here we are going with this one, I. If you are able to calculate I, at that time you can calculate VDC. Okay, and if you observe this diagram, this is called as BJT Wilson current mirror. BJT Wilson current mirror. The meaning of current mirror, as the name implies, it mirrors the output current is same as input current. Okay, and that too beta value is going to be very high. Very high value of beta is very high. This is very important. Whenever it is given, the implicit assumption is nothing but base current will be treated as 0. So base current is 0 is mentioned in other way as high value of beta. You can see this one, IB we can write IC by beta. If it is IC by very large, at that time what you will get is very small, that is approximated as 0. Very large, if you assume it is infinite, definitely IB will be 0. So the meaning of beta very high is nothing but simply neglect the base currents. Whenever it is neglecting the base currents, so output current is exactly equal to the input current. Output current is mirrored version of input current. So the same I value is also equal to 5 milliamperes you will get. So now VDC is equal to, we can write it as 10 minus 5 times of 1 kilo ohm. So that is nothing but 10 minus 5 volts, which is 5 volts. So for the given diagram, VDC value is equal to 5 volts. Thank you.